What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make creamy Cajun Parmesan chicken Marsala. It looks amazing, it tastes amazing. Let's get right into it. So first I want to start off by slicing up my chicken breast just like so. I'm showing you guys this because we want our chicken breast to be thin like fillets, so that's why I'm slicing it up like this, okay? And plus it's a trick for getting more chicken. Alright, moving on, I'm going to be using some of my Cajun seasoning. You can use any Cajun seasoning that you have, it doesn't matter. And then I want to get me some garlic powder, of course, a little bit of black pepper, some parsley, and for that nice vibrant color, of course, some Sazon. It is my favorite seasoning of all time. I have to use it on pretty much any type of meat I cook. Now in a pan, you want to go ahead and pour some olive oil into that pan, and you want to basically cook your chicken on high and medium heat until it looks something like this. And then you want to go ahead and get you a pot and fill it up with water, olive oil, and salt, and boil your noodles to the side. While those are boiling, we're going to be frying our bacon in a separate pan as well. And if you're wondering, please cook your bacon all the way. I had stopped the video mid-video, but I still cooked my bacon fully, okay? Alright, and then after you're done doing that, you want to go ahead and start on your cream sauce. So basically, I am melting 1 stick of butter, but I prefer you to use a half a stick of butter because me using 1 stick of butter, I'm not gonna lie, it was just a little bit too much butter. So I would say use a half a stick. Now when you're done melting your butter, you want to go ahead and season it with a little bit of garlic and basically everything you use to season your chicken with. And then that's when you can go ahead and head on to adding your heavy whipping cream. You see how I seasoned my butter a little bit? You see the seasonings in there? I got mostly garlic and stuff like that in there. You go ahead and like basically let it cook for a little bit because it's going to thicken as it cooks. I mean, you can literally see it thickening as I'm cooking it. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my bacon bits, as you can see. And when cooking this cream sauce, you have to tend to it a lot. You have to stir it. You know, you have to mix it well. Now moving on, I'm going to be adding my Parmesan cheese. That's always next after adding heavy whipping cream. You always add your Parmesan cheese next to make it even more thicker. And then you know me, I add a little bit of Sazon for color. Next, I'm going to be taking some of my tomato halves. These are basically sun-dried tomatoes, and I'm going to be adding some of those into the cream sauce. The reason why I say you should add a half a stick of butter again is because the tomatoes are oily. They are soaked in olive oil, so definitely watch out for that. Now I'm going to be adding my vegetable mix. I basically took some zucchini, some mushrooms, some bell peppers and onions, and added all of those into my cream sauce. You do not have to use zucchini or any of those. You don't have to use any of that, but that's the vegetables I choose from my Marsala. You can use any vegetables that you like. Now I'm just going ahead and getting ready to put all of my chicken breasts into the cream sauce, and I'm basically gonna allow this to cook on low heat for about 20-30 minutes, you know, just so it can, you know, get the flavor in there as well, so it can basically just marinate itself. And this is just a better view of it cooking from the pan. As you can see, it's kind of just marinating itself inside of the chicken. Now for the final touches, I am now adding my bacon bits. And as you can see, I did cook them fully, so please cook them fully. I know I cut the video short the other time. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of my green onions, my spring onions, whatever you want to call them. And that's pretty much it. You just want to put the lid on and let it cook for an additional 5 minutes and let it, you know, steep. And now we are done. Look at that. That looks amazing. It looks creamy. It looks spicy. It looks Cajun. I am all for it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you try it.